How to get statement on Monese or download the statement. If you want to download or get the statement on the Monese app, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is, first of all, go ahead and then make sure to launch the Monese application right there. Once you launch the Monese app, you want to make sure to log into your account, where on the top left you'll find your profile icon, and when you tap the profile icon you'll come to this page right here where it says one of the options is get a statement. So all you have to do is tap on the get a statement option that you can see. It will ask you to choose a statements from a certain date and in a file type that you want. So you can see fee statement or just a statement. Once you select all the date, you can hit the create statement button. You will see the statement over here, and if you want you can also export them to your device to view them later on offline. So this is a simple way on how you can basically export or get your statement. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.